How do you? I like that. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So as you can see by the title, we are doing a makeup look using utensils. You've seen the video I posted previously where I achieved the look using a spoon. Well, today we're going to achieve this wing using a fork, guys. So I hope you guys are excited and looking forward to seeing how I achieve this. It's a very short video. I just show that I only focus on how I achieve the wing only, not the whole makeup routine. If you want some details, I will put in the description box below the products I use. I think my makeup looks a little bit off right now because I did go in this time with my purple highlighter from the Black Radiance kit. So if it does look a little off to you guys, it's probably because I'm using a purple highlighter and I'm getting used to using color highlighters, so it may look a little off, but I hope you guys get the feel of this look. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I'm using a spoon to do the cut, but the mystery and the main event is a fork. I've seen it somewhere, but I couldn't think of the person to find or tag, but we're gonna use a fork to do this look. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.